Hello dear fans. What are plants? The plant kingdom is one of the most numerous on Earth. Plants surround us wherever we are, on the street, at home, at work. These are trees, shrubs, flowers, herbs. They not only decorate our lives, but also make the air we breathe much cleaner. What are plants? Instructions. Step 1. The Encyclopedic Dictionary gives the following definition. Plants, one of the kingdoms of the organic world, the most important difference of which from other living organisms is the ability to autotrophic nutrition, i.e., synthesis of all necessary organic substances from inorganic, and therefore plants are the main primary source of food and energy for all other forms of life on Earth. For most people, plants are living organisms that have a root, stem and leaves. Step 2. Botanists are engaged in the study of plant diversity on Earth. They study the structure of plants, the peculiarities of their vital activity, the history of development, and much more. In addition, botany, like any other science, has its own sections dealing with the study of a particular type of plant. For example, the objects of research in bryology are mosses, lichenology lichens, and dendrology, the trees and shrubs surrounding us everywhere. Step 3. Each plant has its own specific characteristics, in particular, the shape of the leaves, the size of the stem, the color, etc. The maple leaf differs in shape from the oak leaf, the needle-like leaves of the spruce from the scaly leaves of the cypress. In addition, each plant has its own area, geography of distribution, with climatic and other conditions suitable for it. So, most of the territory of Russia is covered with forests, but due to the different climatic conditions of the northern, southern, western and eastern regions of Russia, the composition of growing forest plants is not uniform. Step 4. According to encyclopedic data, there are more than 350,000 species of various plants on Earth. And many of them deserve special attention. For example, lichens or sphinx plants, so named by the scientist K.A. Timorayev. These extraordinary plants settled in places inaccessible to other plants. They can live both in the icy regions of the Arctic and in the sultry sands of the desert. They are unpretentious. In dry weather, they can turn into dust, but as soon as it rains, they will revive again. There are also parasitic plants, poisonous plants, medicinal plants, and even miracle trees such as the giant sequoia, whose trunk can be more than 20 meters thick, Australian eucalyptus trees, considered the tallest trees in the world, 150 m, long-lived baobabs, about 5,000 years, and many others. Thanks for watching.